Welcome to our video today. My name is George, and in this tutorial, I will show you how to easily install the LavaPura Element bidet toilet. Whether you're planning a renovation project or setting up a new bathroom, we have all the essential information for you. Let's start with the technical requirements. Before we can install the LavaPura Element bidet toilet, as with any toilet, we need a water pipe. In addition, only an electrical line in the form of a fixed power supply is required. Make sure to also install a separate circuit breaker. To connect a bidet toilet to the power grid, you or one of your colleagues need a qualification for the connection of electrical pipelines. In addition to the standard water pipe for the flushing tank, an extra water pipe is needed for the comfort features of the bidet toilet. Check the installation dimensions of the toilet in advance to ensure everything fits perfectly. Also make sure that a suitable and stable pre-wall element with integrated preparation for a bidet toilet, such as our hansgrohe I-frame, is available. If you use our hansgrohe I-frame pre-wall element, as shown in our example, you don't need to worry about the right accessories, since everything has already been taken into account here. In addition, there are two key differences to consider when installing a bidet toilet in new building versus renovation. New building. Since electrical and water lines can be laid according to the customer's wishes during the shell construction phase, installing a bidet toilet in new construction is particularly advantageous. Renovation. In this case, it may be necessary to install additional electrical and water lines, which can require a bit more planning than in a new construction project. Now, let's take a look at what is included in the scope of delivery. No worries, everything you need for installation is included. 1. The LavaPura bidet toilet itself. 2. A precisely fitting soundproofing mat and a pre-installed fastening system, which are standard with all our toilets for even easier installation. 3. All necessary installation materials. That means for you, easy to install. My colleague Noah will now show us just how easy it is to install the LavaPura Element bidet toilet. Step 1. Preparation. Before we begin, it is important to carefully read the safety instructions in the enclosed installation manual. Now, let's take a look at the tools and materials we will need. Next, make sure that the installation area is properly prepared. Step 2. Assembly and installation of the bidet toilet. Now we move on to the actual installation of the toilet. Ensure that the power supply is switched off. Now, start by cutting the drain pipes to the correct length. Measure distances L1 and L2 and saw the pipes accordingly. Remember to deburr the edges of the pipes and pay attention to the dimensions of the threaded bolts. Apply a lubricant to the rubber seals before inserting the tubes into the wall. This makes installation easier. Then, attach the soundproofing mat to the back of the bidet toilet. Slide the toilet into place, ensuring that the inlet and drain pipes are correctly positioned. Place the plastic eccentrics onto the threaded bolts. Carefully tighten the nuts and level the toilet. After a successful leak test, the maintenance joint can be applied around the ceramics. Now insert the toilet seat from above into the brackets. Align the toilet seat and secure it using the 2 screws. Step 3. Connecting the water and power supply. Now it is time to connect the water and power supply. First, install the plug onto the power cable and connect it properly, following professional standards. Ensure that the power cable does not overlap with other pipelines. Connect the water inlet hose to the corresponding connection on the toilet. Make sure that all connections are secure and leak-proof. Step 4. Installing the remote control holder. Now, attach the holder to a grease-free, load-bearing surface, or mark the position of the mounting holes on the wall and drill the holes. Insert the wall plugs and secure the holder. Insert the battery into the radio remote control and attach it to the magnetic holder. Step 5. Function test. Before putting the toilet into operation, perform a function test. Check whether all functions, such as flushing and the integrated shower, are working perfectly. If everything is in order, the bidet toilet can now be used. That's all for today. I hope you now feel fully informed and ready to install the LavaPura Element bidet toilet. If you have any technical questions, feel free to use our handsgrohe Pro video service. This allows you to connect directly with our experts via video call to receive real-time installation aid. If you would like to learn more about bidet toilets, feel free to watch our other videos in this series. See you next time. Yours, George.